Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming phone compatibility with the 360 camera model you own. Charge the camera battery to at least 50% before pairing to avoid interruptions. Enable Bluetooth 5, 0 on the phone and turn on Wi-Fi 2, 4 GHz for hotspot connections. Install the camera manufacturer app and grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions when prompted. Free up roughly 100 MB of storage for the app and cache to ensure smooth operation. Close other Wi-Fi apps to reduce interference with the camera setup. Power on the camera and put it into pairing mode by holding the pairing button for 3 seconds. On the phone, open Wi-Fi settings and look for an SSID resembling 360 CAM XXXX or the model name. If the camera uses a hotspot, select that SSID and enter the default password 12,345,678 to join. Alternatively, open the app and tap Add Device to detect the camera via Bluetooth automatically. Complete the pairing process within 30 seconds to avoid timeout and follow any on-screen prompts for confirmation. After pairing, open the app and update the camera firmware to the latest version using Wi-Fi. Insert and format a micro SD card up to 128 GB in the camera before first use to prevent file errors. Set your recording resolution to the desired option, such as 5, 7K or 4K, and choose frame rate and exposure settings in the app. If you experience connection problems, restart both the phone and camera and retry pairing. As a last resort, perform a camera reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds and reattempt setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.